$86.40. Yay! Another $48. Another $86.60. Yes, $192. Check mark. Da, 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 da. And let's add something here. We're gonna add a trend line to see what's going on. And now I just created the parallel channel with two trend lines, and we're gonna see what's happening with the assets and the prices within that channel. As I told you, $25, just 25 bucks for the start. And you see, I created this improvised channel for a reason. There are two touches by fractals on the line. We bounce off and we move higher. So I am expecting growth here to the second line, and that is going to be a call option. That's right. Guys, and if you are curious about the instruments I'm using, you see, I mean, one trend line can be used as a trend line, but two trend lines can be an improvised channel, just like I did this time. I share all this information in my Telegram channel. You will find the link below, and I highly recommend you to check it out because all the questions you have about trading are answered right there. So don't miss out on the opportunity. It's actually amazing, and all the feedback I get from my followers, it's really, really helpful if you want to take your trading to the next level. So don't skip that part right there. All right, let's move even higher. For the next one, we are going to, actually, I'm gonna keep 25 as a bid, just like I feel like it. And let's do something interesting. Let's do the 2-minute time frame. And I am going to open a trade for an increase because I'm observing a gradual uptrend. And the sellers have weakened, so we can rise. I think it can possibly happen to the middle line of the Donchian channel. There is a strong potential for it, so let's wait for this to happen, all right? And when you feel confident about your trading skills, you can play around just like I do sometimes. You know, I usually prefer the 1-minute time frames, but this time, as I see the more gradual uptrend happening, I can switch to 2 minutes because I think 1 minute might not be enough. So you can do that too. It's all about practice and pursuing your dream and pursuing your goal. This is very, very important. Yay! Another $48. Small, but steady. Wait for it. Because I told you, we're gonna be very gradual today, okay? So I'm gonna set it to 1 minute and let's go right away. Let's go right away for the next one. This next one, I'm gonna place $45 just to increase it slightly. And I know what's happening. So I am expecting further growth for Canadian dollar as it's strongly held at 0.61 support level. It's a strong round level, and oscillator also shows an upward move. So definitely it is a call option and we're gonna go for it. I think green is one of my all-time favorite colors. Yay! Check mark. $86.40. Well done. We are clearly on the right track and we're gonna go further. I mean, there's no other way. As simply as that. Okay, let's find out if we can use this one as our next asset pair. I'm going to take a look, and we're gonna need something else here. And that's something else you may be not too familiar with, but I'll show you. Let me just adjust the trend line. And another one right there. Yes. Perfect. Okay, right here. No, here. All right. Are you ready? Okay, let me zoom in. So I'm gonna show you a pattern that is rarely found on small time frames. And you can see that pattern, it's a triangle. So initially it was forming as an ascending triangle. So I expected a breakout upwards, but as we broke the slanted line down, that scenario is canceled. So that is a put option. Let's wait for the drop to happen. And in my TG channel, you will find the link below. I talk about all the instruments you can use and implement into your trading game, because there are different markets and different scenarios and different tools you can use to get the stable profits every time you trade. So if you're curious about finding out more and getting those profits, another $86.60, please join me. The link is below, and I promise you, you will not regret that decision. That asset pair should work. Let me just take another second to inspect the history and what's happening right now. All right, so I'm going to place 50 right this moment. And well, as we clearly see that the trend is downward, candles are small and moving consistently. So I am expecting further decline with a small pullback up. I think selling on a pullback is the best decision here. So time to sell, guys. We're gonna sell. I'm in such a great mood. Please share in the comments, how is your day going? Because I'm really curious. Tell me. Ay. Not enough time. That is okay. Those mistakes happen. The market situation can change at any moment, so we're just gonna go further, because I'm just gonna upset the loss here. Let me add the parallel channel right there. Okay. Perfect. And to offset the loss, I'm going to increase the bid to 100. And okay, let's see. So right here, I'm expecting a drop from the upper boundary downward. A rune confirms a short, plus we are touching the middle downtrend line, which acts as a resistance. So I'm anticipating a drop from it, and that is going to be a put option. That's right. I also wanted to tell you a little bit more about the previous trade that ended in a loss. You see, I didn't consider that the instrument might have already been oversold, and for the trend reversal, I just didn't have enough time. So, you know, we're all humans and we all make mistakes, and that is fine. What matters is that what you do with your mistakes. I could have been really upset and Yes, $192. The thing is, you could be really upset and just give up, but you shouldn't. You really shouldn't, because you can always make the right choices, offset your losses, and get the profits. Even I make mistakes, and you can do the same thing too. But what you do afterwards, that's what matters, really, really does. Guys, I also have a Telegram channel in which I talk not only about the most effective strategies, powerful insights, and unique signals, but also about the psychological side of training, because it is equally important how you deal with losses, with stress, and with mistakes. So join me there if you haven't already, and I will see you really, really soon. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome. Bye.